So this is where I get started, where I'm gonna do my nails. I got 3 colors out, 4 colors actually, and I'm gonna show you how I did some of the little pink hearts on there. And first you gotta peel off the clear from each strip or it won't stick. And then you peel off the fingernail polish. It's 100% fingernail polish. You peel off that little gray tab, and then it's round on both edges, so it's gonna be on the curved side is gonna go towards your cuticle, and I'm gonna put one on my left finger and one on my right finger. So I'm gonna use 1 strip for both fingers, and all you do is you place it on. And once you get it right, you can take it off a couple times if you need to realign it, just to make sure that it's put on there the right way. You push it down around the edges, and then you push it over the edge, and you use your thumb to perforate it. So you like push it over the sticky side. It's sticky on the bottom and dry on the top. You push it over and use your thumb like to perforate it underneath. You push it underneath your nail, and you push it all the way around, and then you just pull it off like magic. And then you go onto the other side and you put it on the other finger. So I'm able to use 1 nail strip for 2 fingers. So ultimately at the end, I'm only going to be using 5 nail strips. And then I'm going to probably use the rest on my toes. So I'll go ahead and show you again the next color that I'm going to use. The first one was the red one, which was Crantastic, and you have to make sure you push it down all the way around the edges so that you give it's a clean edge. But the next one I'm going to use is called Blushing and Flushing. It's a pink one, pink glitter from the Valentine collection. You peel off the clear. Don't forget to peel off the clear, because you need to peel it off in order for it to stick. And then you peel off the fingernail polish. And you can take this off with fingernail polish remover. Peel off that little gray tab. Then you have 2 sides. You may just need to use 1 depending on how long your fingernails are. My fingernails are not that long, so I am able to use 2 on 1 nail. But if you use 1, that's fine, because it comes in sets of 16, 8 sizes, a row of 8 and another row of 8. So it comes in 2 sets of 8, which is 16. So you're just going to use your thumb and push it down around the edge and peel it off. Peel it off. Very pliable, very easy to do. Put it on the next finger, and then you're going to do that for the rest of the nails until I'm going to show you in a little bit how I'm going to do it 2 different ways, where I'm going to put the hearts on my finger, and I'm also going to do an overlay, polka dot overlay on top of that, and then I'm also going to do a hole punch, and I'm going to show you multiple ways of how you can get a heart on your fingernails. So this color is called Light Year, and it is a beautiful new color that just came out. It's supposed to be based around the cosmos. Light Year and Dark Matter. Dark Matter is more of a brown holographic color. This is more of a steel metal color with glitter. It's beautiful. Look at that. So you push it down all the way around on the edges. Do not let it touch the cuticle or your skin. If it does, you just get a cuticle pusher and you kind of like push on it around the edges on the sides, and then you kind of make sure that you kind of like tear it a little bit. Not tear it, because you don't want to tear it, but you want to push it down around the edge of your nail just to get the excess off if it goes over. Mine are fine. I know exactly what size mine are. You see it comes with different sizes. There's a pinky, there's a ring finger, there's a middle finger, there's a thumb, there's different sizes, and you just put them on your nail to the size that you think will fit. And then we're going to go on to the next one, which I'm going to do the red one again, which is called Crantastic. So see, so far I've already done 3 nails, and it didn't take me much time at all. These are really super fast, really easy to put on. They last about 2 weeks, 14 days, depending on how hard you are with your nails. And one tip is to let them sit for like 30 minutes before you decide to like submerge them in water, like when you're washing the dishes or going for a swim or getting in the hot tub. Wait for 30 minutes if you want them to last longer before you do those things so that they can cure. I usually like to do mine the night before I go to bed, just so that I don't have to worry about it, because it's just easier that way. See how easy they just come right on off, and then put it on the other finger, and then we are good to go. So now I'm gonna show you how I did the little pink hearts. So I bought these, I think I bought these off of Amazon. I'm not sure. I will put a link in the comments if you want to know. Maybe I got these off of Etsy now that I'm thinking about it. So what you do is you get clear fingernail polish and you put it, see, these are the hearts. You get clear fingernail polish and you put it on your fingernail first, and I would recommend getting some tweezers so that you can maneuver them better, because it's kind of hard because they're so tiny. So you put the fingernail polish on, and then you pick up your little heart and you use the tweezers to lay it on there where you want it to go. And you gotta be quick, because this fingernail polish, I'll put the link in the description as well, but this fingernail polish dries super quick. So you want to put the hearts on there super fast, and then you want to push them down with your finger without trying to touch the fingernail polish on your finger. And then you can do two things. I'm going to show you where you can put the fingernail polish on top of it, the clear again, or you could use something else called Clear as Day, or what you could do is what I ended up doing in the end was putting on the polka dot overlay, and that sealed it so that they don't come off by accident, they don't move, anything like that, and it looks really good. See, they came out so cute. Look at those hearts, and I'm going to show you another way as well. So this is the complete look. It looks cute. I used an 1/8" of a hole punch for the heart. I used Crantastic and just punched a hole and put it in my middle finger. That's it. I hope you like it. So yeah, follow and subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials.